level. One of the core concepts of psychohistory is that though it can predict the future of the galaxy based on the behaviors of societies, individual actions can't be accounted for. The two most important characters, aka the Gal Pals, are Gale and Salvor. Gale, who can see the future, and Salvor, who has visions of her parents' past. Because of these abilities, they both have the potential to alter the trajectory of reality. These characters represent humanity's chance to go against what we're quote-unquote destined to do. Despite how depressing the show can be, it's also incredibly hopeful. In the same moment where something devastatingly tragic happens, there will be a scene that gives you this little glimmer of hope that we as humankind aren't preordained to burn ourselves alive. This show challenges the audience to ask, what is freedom and what would you sacrifice for it? Mostly everyone on this show, Demerzel, Sereth, even Empire, what they all ultimately want, especially in the wake of this math equation that supposedly predicts the future, is, well, what they want is Adrian Brody, Mark Ruffalo, could you help me out?
You want an unwritten life? I want an unwritten life.
What this season has shown us is that Harry's plan isn't set in stone. This has positive and negative implications, but for the most part, it's a sliver of optimism in a story that tends to be very bleak. I mean, this is a show where entire civilizations have been wiped out in the blink of an eye, and where Science Jesus has told all of humanity that we're about to go through Dark Ages Part 2 Electric Boogaloo. Knowing that we have agency and choice may be the best news someone could get under these circumstances. Which, yeah, that's still pretty depressing. I know there are a lot of people out there who are big fans of the source material who are not happy with the direction of the series and wish they didn't deviate so much from Asimov's writing. And I haven't read the books, so maybe that lack of attachment is helping with my enjoyment of the series. But as I've mentioned before, books and TV shows are two wildly different mediums, and in adapting one source into another, something is gonna change. That being said, I can't imagine this show executing these themes and stories in a more satisfying way than they did this season.